It's illegal for your boss to tell you that you're not allowed to discuss your pay with your coworkers, including bonuses.
See, and fun fact about talking about pay with coworkers is this. I wasn't allowed to talk about my pay with my coworkers. That's what my boss told me. Until one day, my coworker was talking about, oh, we need to get paid more. And I was like, I agree. Getting paid $12 an hour is not enough. And he said, Jordan, I'm getting paid $15 an hour. And I was like, did you get a bonus? Come here. He said, Jordan, that's the legal minimum wage. Did you not know that? And I was like, you guys getting paid $15 an hour? So yeah, definitely ask about that.